Hi friends, I'm here in Sandpoint, Idaho, home of the brave, and I'm at Bonner General Orthopedic. I brought my little girl, my 3-year-old little girl here for an ortho appointment because she was born with hip dysplasia and she is having problems with her legs now, and she needs to be seen by an orthopedic surgeon and have x-rays. We were referred here by her doctor. And we just went in for the appointment, and when the nurse came out, we both went in without a mask. Neither one of us are sick. We haven't had exposure to anything crazy, and we don't have any symptoms of anything. We're both feeling great. We went into the appointment, and when the nurse came out to get us, he said, "Oh, you both have to wear masks." And I said, "Well, I'm not comfortable with that. We're not sick or anything like that." And he said, "Well, you have to. It's our, our policy." So I said, "Well, she's not going to wear a mask. I guess I would be willing to wear one, even though I'm opposed to it. I'd be willing to wear one for the appointment, for the sake of the appointment." So he came back and brought us to a room. Dr. Douglas Cipriano came into the room with a mask, and he said, "I'm not going to treat her. I will not give her an exam. She will not be having an x-ray today," which is what I'm recommending happens, is that she have an x-ray. But if you don't put a mask on her, she will not be in the same room as an x-ray tech, because the x-ray tech needs her to be masked. And I told him that we live in Boundary County. She doesn't go to daycare. She doesn't go to school. We homeschool. Nobody's been traveling outside the country. Everybody's healthy. We don't have any exposure at all. I told him that I would be willing to wear a mask, and he refused to examine my baby, and we left the office with no care. He did not give her an exam. I said, "Would you be willing to watch her walk down the hallway so you can kind of get an idea of what we're dealing with?" But he was very condescending. He was rude. He raised his voice at me. It was such a surreal situation because I'm there with my toddler asking for help. He had the skills to help my baby, and he refused to. Where are the heroes? This is a doctor. Doctors used to be heroes. They used to expose themselves and risk to do what their passion is, and to save people and to help people. And we were turned away, and we walked out of the office, and she did not get the care she needed today. So I don't know what to do but ask for your help. If you feel like this is not something that you would support, or you think that this is wrong, because I do. I feel like this is wrong. My little girl was burying her face into my chest, and she was crying because she didn't want to get in trouble, but she's scared to wear a mask. It doesn't feel right. It doesn't look right. And she was worried about it, and she was clinging to me, and she was there for a doctor's appointment. The phone number for Bonner General is 208-263-8597. Their address is 606 North 3rd Avenue, Suite 201. This is the orthopedic office. And if you are interested in calling them and asking them about their policy, it's my understanding that the administrator is saying that since they're a private hospital, they can make any rule they want and they reserve the right to refuse service to anyone that they want. But we were not acting in an inappropriate way. I was very very appropriate and very reasonable the entire time. But this is wrong. This is wrong.